calculate the hydrogen ion concentration of the following biological fluids. This is my fluid FLUIDS, whose pH are given below. First one, human muscle fluid, .83. So if a question is given like this, first thing solution, write down the formula used. What is the formula? pH is equal to minus log of H plus. Negative log of H plus. And what is the pH value given? 6.83. 6.83 is equal to minus log of H plus. So if the log is going this side, it will become what? Anti-log respectively. So clearly the negative is going this side. Correct? So it will become the negative anti-log. Correct? So what is my H plus value? Negative anti-log of 6.83. So guys, while doing this question, what is the first step of negative anti-log? What I told you? If this is 6 is here, correct? This is 6.83. Fine. So I make it the power of 10. So 10 power minus 7. So 6, I have to round it to the next value, that is 7. 6 to 7. Fine. And I have to subtract this 7. Next step is what? Subtract this 7, step 2. From the question. Subtract 7 from the question. So 7 minus 6.83, I'll get 0.17. Correct? Then what I have to do after this? After this thing, 0.1 value, which I already told in the last session. 0.1 value is what? 1.26. And the second decimal, this is my first decimal place. I'll write down here, first decimal place. And the second decimal place value is what? 7. This is my second decimal place, which I'll circle it. That is my 0.07. That value is 1.15. So now what I'll do, I'll write down the 0.17 here. And do not forget to multiply by 10 power minus 7, okay, which you have done. So 0.1 value is what? 1.26 and 0.07 value is 1.15 into 10 power minus 7. So if I do that thing, I'll get around 1.48 or I'll get 1.449 or whatever it is into 10 power minus 7 molar. So coming to the explanation of this question, first thing is I have to know the formula used. pH is equal to minus log of H plus. Without this, we cannot start. Okay. So I am doing the anti-log first or the negative anti-log because this is a difficult problem. So this is a difficult concept in this. First thing is 6. We have to round it to the next number, that is 7, and take it as 10 power minus 7. And then second step is what? Subtract 6 from 7. That's it. We'll get 0.17. Then I have already given you the values. in the last session. That is 0.1 value is 1.26. And this is 7. For 7 to 8 is around 1.15. Or you can take 1.26. It doesn't make a big difference. Then write down 0.17. Correct the first decimal value. One value is what? 1.26. One value is 1.26. And 7 value is what? 1.15. And 10 power minus 7 and dropping it down. Multiply everything. This everything you have to multiply. This is all multiplication. I'll get this as the answer. So I'll tell you a shortcut in this. So here I'm getting what? 6.83 is equal to minus log of h plus. Correct. First thing is for a negative antilog. Correct. We know this is clearly negative antilog. So for you to not to go wrong. Correct. In negative antilog, there is only one step which is different from this. What is that? We just write here h plus is equal to, instead of 6, what will you write? 7 bar. Correct? Or else before this, I'll write down the same thing. Instead of negative antilog, write down antilog. Antilog of 7 bar. 0.17. How am I getting this 17? By subtracting this. Then you will never ever go wrong. This is one more way. After this, you have to just follow the antilog method only. After this, you have to just follow the antilog, the normal antilog method. Correct? The normal antilog method. But only thing is that we should not forget to put 10 power minus 7. That we should not forget. And subtraction also we should not forget. So we should write down what? These are the steps. Step 1, step 2. Do simple questions and we can do it. Now, the next thing. pH is given again for this. The same question only, the pH is given. So here pH of the human stomach fluid is what? 1.2 is given. 1.2 is given. So 1.2. Correct. So again, write on the same thing. pH is equal to minus log of H plus. The formula we have to write first. Substitute. pH value is given as what? 1.2 is equal to minus log of H plus. Same thing, negative antilog. H plus is equal to negative antilog. Write down in words. Negative antilog of 1.2. So we know what to do if it is a negative antilog. Correct? In the sense negative sign is here. This negative sign we should put here. Okay, that's the reason I put negative antilog. So negative is already here. So negative antilog, the first step is I will convert this one to what? To 2. This one I'll convert it as 2. That is 10 power minus 2. So in our answer, there should be a 10 power minus 2. Step number 2 is what? I have to subtract. That is, I have to convert this as 2. Okay. I have to subtract this as what? Step number 2. Subtract this 1.2 from 2. So 2 minus 1.2. That is 0.8 I will get. So I have to find what? This 0.8 value. Correct? 0.8 can be represented as what? 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.2. Now I have to, these are all first decimal places. There is no second decimal places. So for 0.3 value, 0.3 value, 0.2 value. What is the first decimal place? It is 2. For 0.3 again it is 2. 0.2 it is 1.58. This have to multiply. That's all. And do not forget about what? Into 10 power minus 2. So this is equal to 6.32 into 10 power minus 2. So all of these things we have to calculate H plus, okay? Calculate H plus, correct? If pH is given, that's it. I have to calculate H plus. The questions are all like that only. So now next question is H plus if pH is given. So pH value I'll take human blood. Human blood. pH value is 7.38 bracket pH value. I have to calculate H plus for this question. So first thing is what? pH is equal to minus log of H plus. pH is equal to minus log of H plus. pH is given as 7.38. This is equal to minus log of H plus. So again we have to calculate what H plus from this. So H plus is nothing but negative antilog. Again I'm writing down in words because the main purpose for us is to make sure that this is there in our memory, not to show my mathematical expertise in this. So it's negative antilog of what? 7.38. So first step for this 7. So 7 thing I have to put it to what? 8. 7 to 8 and then put in terms of 10 power minus 8. That's it. Step number 2, subtract. Subtract 8 from the, subtract 7.38 from the question. That is, sorry, from 8. Not from the question, it is from 8. So we'll get it as what? Log of, so that I don't want to write here, 8 minus 7.38. So we'll get 0.62. Now the first decimal place. That is 0.6. Second decimal place. That is 2, right? Correct this particular 2. So 0.6 can split as what? 0.3 plus 0.3. And this 2 value is what? That also I know it is 1.05. So now with all of this information, I'm writing here 0.3 plus 0.3 plus that 2, let it be, that 0.02 or whatever it is, 0.02 into 10 power minus 8. 0.3 value is what? 2. 0.3 value is 2. 0.2 is 1.05 into 10 power minus 8. Then I have to just multiply each and everything with this. So I'll get the answer as what? 4.7 into 10 power minus 8. So guys, there's a small correction in this. This is 4.2, okay? Yeah. Not 7, 4.2. Or 4, that's it. 4 you can put it in. 4 into 10 power minus 8, doesn't matter. Because in entrance, the options will be, there will be a difference, either in minus 8 or in the 4 value, there will be a difference. So that's not a cause of worry for us. Next question. Calculate the pH of 0.001 m, that is molar HCl. For this, first thing is solution we would write. Here the question is to find the pH. Okay. First thing for us is HCl, H plus Cl minus. Correct. And they given as what? 0.001. So here the H plus will be what? 0.001 m only. So this is the first understanding that we have to have. Calculate the pH of 0.001 m HCl. So first step for us is what? Here we're finding pH. Solution first step. That is, we'll write the equation. That is HCl will give us H plus Cl minus. And this HCl is given as what? 0.001 m. So this will be the same for H plus ion also. Correct. So which means this H plus is equal to what? 0.001 m. So that is nothing but 10 power minus 3 m. For our simplicity, I am writing it down. Then the most important formula for us, pH is equal to minus log H plus. Okay, put it in bracket. Fine, put it in the box. This implies pH is equal to minus log of 10 power minus 3. Now by using the formula, log of a power x is equal to x log a. Correct. So here, if I use this formula in the above thing for this 10 power minus 3, log of 10 power minus 3, I'll get it as what? pH is equal to minus this x log a. So what is my x here? Minus 3. So minus into minus plus into log a, log 10. We all know that log 10 value is what? 1. We all know log 10 value is equal to 1. So answer is pH is equal to plus 3. Next thing is question number 2. Calculate the pH of 0.01 m H2SO4 by assuming complete ionization. So first thing for us is solution, fine. H2SO4 I would write. Correct. Then the equation I have to give. That is, I would write the balanced chemical equation. H plus SO4 2 minus. But here I have to write 2H plus because it is H2SO4. Now in our question it is given 0.01 m. But here there are 2 molecules of H plus ions. So 2 into 0.01. So now what is my H plus ion combination here? 2 into 0.1 is 0.02. So which is nothing but 2 into 10 power minus 2. 2 into 10 power minus 2. That's it. Write on the formula now. The formula used is what? pH is equal to minus log of H plus. Common formula for everything. Either it is OH minus or H plus. Common formula. Put it in a box. So minus log of 2 into 10 power minus 2. Correct. So again, I will write the next page. pH is equal to minus log of 2 into 10 power minus 2 by using the formula log of AB, log of A into B, or log AB, or log AB. Okay. Both answer is what? Log A plus log B. Log of AB is log A plus log B. Now using this thing above, here I'll get what? Minus, this is log of, minus, let it be there. Log of AB is what? Log A plus log B, log 10 power minus 2. Minus, I'm just putting it outside. That's it. Fine. So if I want to put this thing, log 2 value, I should know what is log 2 value. That is 0.3010. Plus this is log of A power X. Log of A power X is X log A. So that is 2 log 10 plus minus 2 into log 10. So minus of 0.3010. Log 10 value, we know it is 1 minus 2. So if I'm just putting this minus thing inside, both the things here and here, minus minus will become plus. So I'll get the answer as what? 2 minus 0.3010. 2 minus 0.3010. So that is 1.6990. pH value is equal to 1.6990. This is my pH value answer. So guys, to know the trick about this, only some few topics we have to know. Formula is same. What is the formula? pH is equal to minus log of H plus, same formula. This is log of AB. Log of AB formula is what? Log A plus log B. And one more thing, by seeing this itself, you should understand this is log of A power X, which is nothing but X log A respectively. That's it. So that is a kind of adaptability we have to bring into this. Minus 2 into log 10. Log 10 value is 1. Log 1 value is 0. So all of these things should be there in our head. So we have to revise it again and again, or else we'll forget this thing. Your OH question. Okay. Question number 3. Calculate the pH of 0.02 m barium hydroxide BaOH twice solution by assuming complete ionization. So first thing for us, we have to write the step. Balanced chemical equation we have to write. Okay, BaOH twice will give me what? Ba2 plus 2OH minus. Now from the question itself, we will take 0.02 m. That I have to substitute where? Here 0.02 m as well as in the OH minus plus I have to substitute. 0.02 m, but here it is 2 into, because OH twice. This is not OH here. Yeah, this is OH twice here. 2 into 0.02 M. So which means our OH minus ion is how much? 0.04 M. 0.04 M, which is nothing but 4 into 10 power minus 2 M. That's it. Formula used. I'll write next page. pH is equal to minus log of, instead of H plus, I'll use OH minus. Put it in a box. Correct? And minus log OH minus. So 4 into 10 power minus 2. So this is again log A plus log B. That's it. Minus log of, minus I'll put here, log A plus log B. Same thing only. Log of 10 power minus 2. And this I can write as what? Log of 2 square. 4 can be written as 2 square. Because log 2 value we know 0.3010. Plus this is log of A power X form. Log of A power X, which can be written as X log A. So minus 2 into log 10. So this is nothing but what? Minus of, this is 2 into log 2. This again, this is also log of A power X form only, this particular thing. Minus 2 into log 10 is 1. So this implies, I'll write on here. This is minus 0.602 plus 2. So pOH value is equal to 1.3979. But in all our question, the question is find pH. So we know one very important equation. The equation is nothing but what? pH plus pOH is equal to 14. So what is my pH from this? 14 minus 1.39. That's it. 79 if I want, I can put it. So pH is equal to 12.602. So fast and calculate.